Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be putting together a homemade deep condition treatment. We first need our liquid. To make our liquid, I boil our Horsetail herb and also our lemongrass, and this is our liquid back here that we'll be using to mix. So this liquid is right now lukewarm. I'm now just going to start mixing all of the ingredients together. Now this is a powerful homemade deep condition treatment. If you want to give this a try, if you want to try using this once a week or once every 2 weeks or whatever your wash routine is, this is something which will help strengthen your hair. This is something which will help prevent breakage. This is something which help with hair growth with all the wonderful ingredients that we are using. I'm first going to be mixing my Greek yogurt. This will be the base of our homemade deep condition treatment. Because of my hair length and how thick my hair is, I'm going to be using 2 of this. Now you can always cut this recipe in half according to your hair length. If you don't have very long hair or very thick hair, you can always adjust the recipe. That's the good thing about DIY, is you're just making your own and do what works best for your hair also. After putting in our Greek yogurt, I'm going in with some henna powder. Henna is very great in helping to make your hair thicker because it acts as a glue to help fix all the cracks in your hair. And then we're also going in with our organic neem leaves powder. This is very great for keeping our scalp healthy. It helps to take away all the fungus, bacteria. It have antimicrobial properties that just stimulate your scalp. If you have any scalp infection, any scalp problem, neem is a really great alternative to help you with that. Since I haven't washed my hair for about 6 weeks now, so this is really going to help my scalp and my hair. Apart from fenugreek being high in nicotinic acid, it is also a really great moisturizer. When I apply this to my DIYs, it just helps with that extra slip. But be very careful because fenugreek does expand in water, so a little bit goes a long way. I've been having this big bag of fenugreek powder for almost 2 years now, and I haven't even washed it yet. I have it in another container too. So fenugreek, a little bit, that's all you need. The next ingredient we'll be adding in is our fenugreek left in my head, is our MSM and vitamin C. Now I'm also taking this internally as a tea. I have a whole video already on that telling you guys all the wonderful things about MSM and vitamin C, so I don't want to go too details in it, but just know it's very great for the hair. That video will be coming up very soon. I'm going in with just 3 of this tiny scoop. 3. We got all of our ingredient in. It's just now time to add our mixture and then just mix until we get the right consistency. You can take your time and hand mix this, but I don't have the time. Now this is the idea one of my subscribers showed me. I got my little hand blender here. I'm just going to plug it into the wall, mix this up for less than 2 minutes. It will just be at the perfect consistency. If it's too thick, I will add in a little bit more of our solution. If it's at the right consistency, I will just cover it up and then we'll start to apply it on our hair tomorrow. Wash all over. Just add a little bit. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay. This is the texture that we got. I'm going to leave this overnight because it's in the night now. I love to make my treatment overnight, so tomorrow morning my wash day will be very simple. So it is a little bit runny, but in the morning I'm gonna check it and see if it's still running. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of fenugreek powder. If it's thicken up a bit, then it will just be perfect. But so far, this is how it's looking, and it's gonna be easy to rinse out. So I don't also like it to be too thick. The next morning, my deep condition was just at a perfect consistency, so I didn't have to add anything to it. All I did was just apply it on my hair. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple of hours and then I will rinse it out and continue on the rest of my wash day routine. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like. Share it with anyone that you think would benefit from it, especially using all these Ayurvedic herbs to make your own homemade deep condition treatment. This treatment is really great for hair growth and hair health. Do not forget to also leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will make sure to answer you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.